Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will continue with the lesson geometrical constructions and begin with practice set 4, question number 1. As you all can see, the question is already written and I am drawing the rough diagram for it. As you all can see, that length AT is 6.4 centimeter. So I am keeping it as my base. Angle A is 45 and angle T is 105. So accordingly, I have drawn the rough diagram. After the rough diagram is done, we will go to the actual construction part. So for the construction work, first I am going to make my base of 6.4 centimeters. So from 0 to 6.4, I am going to make a straight line, mark the endpoints, label them and write down the measures. Once this is done, I am going to take my protractor. Now angle T was 105 degrees. So I am going to mark 105 degrees, placing the protractor on angle T. Make a straight line from T to the point marked. Once this straight line is made, place the protractor on angle A. Angle A is 45 degrees. So I am going to mark 45 degrees and again make a line from point A to the marked point. See, when we extend the lines somewhere further, these two angles meet each other. Yes, like this. These two angles meet each other and they finally form a triangle which we need. So this is how a triangle is made, where the measure of one side is given and two angles are given. We need to label all the points and see to it that we write down the correct measures of the angles and the sides. The second question, measure angle MNP. NP is 5.2 centimeter. So we are going to take it as a base. Measure angle N is 70 degree and measure angle P is 40 degrees. So accordingly, I am going to draw my rough diagram. Once my rough diagram is made, I am going to label it correctly. See, NP was my base, so 5.2 centimeter there, and then N is 70 degree and measure angle P is 40 degree. So I am going to write down the correct measures. Now moving to the construction part, draw the baseline first. So our base was NP 5.2. Taking the scale, I am going to draw a straight line from 0 to 5.2 centimeters. See, like this, 5.2 centimeters. Label the points N, P and then write down the measure also, that is 5.2 centimeter, just as I am doing it. Now take your protractor, place it nicely on point P and mark 70 degrees. Now draw a straight line from point N to the mark which we have made, just as I am doing it. Now place the protractor on point P and mark 40 degrees on it, as angle P is 40 degree. See, like this, students. So now when we draw a line from point P, we see that these two lines intersect each other, making a triangle. So this is how a triangle is made. So write down the correct measure, and angle N is 70 and angle P is 40 degrees. Lastly, see to it that all the points are labeled. The third one, triangle EFG. EG is 6 centimeter, so that will be our base. Angle E is 65 degree and angle G is 45 degree. So accordingly, we will draw our triangle. After drawing our triangle, we will label it. So label it nicely. And correct labeling should be done. EG was a base, 6 centimeter. Angle E is 65 degree. Angle G is 45 degrees. Once this is done, we will make the construction of the triangle. Starting with the base, draw a straight line from 0 to 6 centimeters. Correct. After the straight line is made, mark the endpoints and label them. And write down the measure, that is 6 centimeter. Take your protractor, place it on point E and mark 65 degrees because angle E is given 65 degrees. So from that mark to point E, draw a line. Now place the protractor on point G and mark 45 degrees because angle G is 45 degrees. Now again join point G to the mark which we have made. Again these two lines which we made are intersecting and making a triangle which we need. Finally, see to it that you write down all the measures and write down all the labelings also. This is our triangle. Our last question, question number 4 of our exercise. Triangle XYZ, length XY is 7.3 centimeters. Measure angle X is equal to 34 degrees and measure angle Y is 95 degrees. So, XY will be my base, that is 7.3 centimeters, and then I am going to draw a triangle. Once my triangle is made, I will label all the vertices. 95 degrees, 34 degrees, 95 was angle Y and 34 was X. And write down the base length also, that is 7.3 centimeters. Once this is done, we will move to the construction part. For construction, I am going to draw my base first. So base was 7.3 centimeter, that is XY. Make a straight line of 7.3. Label them and write down the measure. Once this part is done, I am going to take a protractor, place it on point Y and mark 95 degrees on it. After marking 95 degrees on it, make a straight line from point Y till the mark and then place protractor on point X and again take 34 degrees as angle X is 34 degrees. When we draw a straight line from point X, after extending it further, it intersects with the line which we have drawn before. So this is how we get a triangle. Finally, write down all the measures correctly, label all the points and see that we have completed doing everything. That is for this video, students. We will continue with the next